how to use LumiSpa IO. So first thing first, this is how your LumiSpa IO looks like. So when you receive the treatment head, what you do is you locate the 2-point pin at the bottom. So you just plug it in to your LumiSpa IO machine. Okay, so now how are we going to use this? Is if you're doing this at home in your washroom, this machine is waterproof, so you can actually use it while you are bathing. All right, now so since I'm outside, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to wet my face. I'm going to show you how to actually use it. Okay, so first thing first, you can use our hydrating mist, or you can just use water when you're bathing. So firstly, wet your face, and it comes together with your treatment gel, okay, which is your treatment cleanser. So different skin type, you have different types of cleanser. So this is for normal and combo. It will work for most of the skin type of many people out there. So you just put it all around your face, all right. Don't have to put too much. Maybe you can put like 20 cents in ringgit size. All right, then you put a little bit on the machine. Okay, a little bit on the machine. Then you can wet the head a little bit, put some water, and then you just press this button. So when you press, it will start to move. All right, so you can start from your forehead. Very simple, or you can go zigzag. On your forehead, and every 30 seconds the machine will indicate for you to move to different parts of your head. So you just go, different parts of your face. Okay, so it helps you to, okay, so 30 seconds is already done. So you can focus on your nose. Let's say if you have some blackheads, then you can do more on your nose area. Then you can pull your skin up, just go all around your face. So we'll split your face into 4 different parts. We start from the forehead, then we go to the right, to the left, and the bottom part of your skin. Okay, so very simple. Just continue. All right, 30 seconds have already passed. You can go to the other side of your face. All right. Let's go. One treatment or one cleansing is just 2 minutes, and it also helps you to remove makeup as well. Helps you to remove makeup, help you to do pore pumping, which means it will shrink the size of your pores, get rid of dirt that is stuck inside your pores, and also works as a cleanser, of course. All right, last 30 seconds. All right, you can even go down to this area, it's fine. Go down to this area, and then you feel like it's like massaging your skin as well. That's how it stimulates your collagen production of your skin. So it's like working out, exercising, but for your face. All right, and we are done. So of course, if you do put makeup on, over here you can see that there will be makeup residue, but of course I don't have makeup on, so you can't see it. Then of course, after you're done doing the cleansing, just wash off, and you're done with your first step of your skincare routine.